Yes.
This one's yours.
Yes.
Meaning will not be the same father, the same mother.
Not my father's child.
Wait, before you continue, are you saying it because of anger or you just the
I
talk?
am not saying it because of anger. Mama Eki knows. All of us knows. Our Egbe knows. Everybody knows. This man is not my father's child. My mother brought that pregnancy to give my father, like saying my father. When he enter our house, my father they get will be from a Boba. My father they get very strong deity. That deity was angry. Before then, I have 2 brothers. This man, senior my father first son, when my mama born for my father. Are you getting it? When my mama born for my father, this boy is not my father's child.
Yes, I get it.
And give to my father like he's my father's child. So I no gay. Now what did it make me call the family now they want to tell you so?
Yes, I hear you. Just continue.
So our ancestors, our deity, my grandpapa and my papa they serve was angry. They now sent convulsion to kill this man. So this man was already 2 years while my father first child was a baby. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I hear you.
Was a baby. So this man, when the two children they cry, my mother, because I went to the apple, this man they point say see something they come. So my mother carry something give her. Say, oh la, when the thing never they knock him. And more day. You see our deity, what my dad they serve. Don't know they carry people no be person no come give them.
Hold on first. But those of the way they say we don't understand what she they talk. Make I just explain before she continue. For those of the way know the because now facing everything they do joke. She is here because of the issue going on in her family. Okay? This man here, they call here that brother, if they tell us today, say, this man here, they carry belle come from my side. They listen. Wada we oma. Una nene mi. Esa ga kwa au. Ebe asunu no they listen. Wada we o. You understand? So based on wetin make can they bring these people, this one is sister, or they say papa, they say mama, but he said this one for his side, so they carry belle come from my side. Meaning they be the same mama, not be the same papa. That's what I am understanding right now. And now, because she can expose the evil deed of this man, where we wear blue shirt, so about I take knock the pikin, the 2 daughters, he knock them. First, because they put hand for their kwekus. From there, after their kwekus all the way, because they use prick to the below them. From 5 years, like this, after they knock the children, courage. Now, the first one did 22, and the other one did 18 years. You get? So because they can expose them now, this is sister way there UK, so be one made the matter just there for Nigeria. They carry this man go police station. The other sister way there UK try to make sure say they not fit see the end of the case. In fact, this other sister is the weapon fashioned against Tondia.
She arrested me and lied against me that I took her 20
years. No, I just shutting out for them because some of them say they don't understand. And now, the reason why she's there today is because of the arrow when they threw to her. Second, say they don't block her, then they follow me. Next, she want to use this platform to take past message to them. Why gear? Continue, my sister. For her to the listing. All this saga where they go, so even Sharon, one of the users until they get sense. Well, there are some of your brothers and sisters that will pray for you not to even. The only person that want you to succeed in life is your mom and your father. Your own blood brother and sister will even jealous you. You know, pray if you not get blood brother or blood sister as evil, just thank God for your life. This is one thing when you see. Una don't understand now. Continue.
So
maybe not because you can't they slow the talker because of the comment they read for the other side. That's why. I also now would wait a comment.
So when the deity come, because we get very strong deity as a Boba. When the deity come to claim this man's life, Mopsy, unknowingly to her, she got to say now all those convulsion this thing. he come give am say use am take knack. If you see the thing dey come, use am take knack am. So the two children sit down dey play while that thing dey come again. This my brother come use the tear as he wan enter this man body, he come take knack am go enter that my other brother body. You understand? So as he take come enter that my other brother body, he no kpai that my brother because no be him the thing dey come for. You understand? So no be him the thing dey come for, but he come make am, he no come dey normal. Nobody know. He no come dey normal. Nobody know. You understand? So this man, after then the thing no come again, but he no kill that one. But you see na this one body he enter, he for buy am instantly. Na so they take my mom still take keep the secret for a very long time. You no tell anybody about the paternity of this man. So all of us we love each other. I love am as my brother then. So we just still dey do our things dey go. But without being told, you go know say he no resemble us for anything.
Even the character.
Both face both eyes everything he no resemble us for anything because his father is a Yoruba man and the man name is Dayo. That is the man name. So he no resemble us for anything. Then all of us, the four of us will be my father children. You see, I said all of us get the same thing. My marriage.
Yes.
Be like all of us be like say my papa vomit us.
Yes.
You understand? So we leave that aside. So when all those things they happen, now we be say things call guys he be we come be say he do it children. Wetin make you see say this man for our family, if any man touch him pikin, even a lap he touch him pikin, come get that thought and no gay. If he as he put hand, he go kpai instantly. He go kpai instantly. So the reason why Egbe was dragging this my brother, say how come you do all those things, you no kpai? That means now the ancestors they tell us say you no belong to this family. So the reason why I was sent into that family, that my brother will be first speaking, where that this thing they worry so. Where that this thing they worry so. Now he's supposed to be head of the family. But since that thing happened to her, the boss of our family called the verse. My parents not ready to born again. My elder ones, they senior me well. When we senior me direct, senior me close to 5 years. Because they don't want born again. Why the rest, with 1 year, 2 years? You understand? Why I was sent into that family that I'm trying to talk to my brothers and sisters. So now because of the evil, we start first son, our ancestor refused to rest. That was why I was sent into that family. That was why I was sent to that family. I was not born normal like them.
You were destined. Like yes. you were sent on a message to the family because of the atrocity where they happen for the family.
Yes.
Because if not for you now, of a truth, these people would have kept this secret.
This kind of happen, so no they happen for their family. Once they try the person will try and go back. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to the arrow. I don't already let them know now, say I take home. So make them make their research. They're supposed to know say what I talk so. Yeah, they for bomb me and everything. They're supposed to ask themselves, say, I tell no. All these things. The time when they take bomb me, I know they. You see that time when they take bomb me, level 45. Now that level 45, now I take bomb my 2 children. The same time.
In the midnight, I'll be in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, level 45. In the morning. Now that same level 45. This man can confirm it. My last meeting when I born, he followed me to hospital. In level 45 at the dots. Now I take born the first one, now I take born the second one.
Wow.
The same time. Then this small one when I born, now Eziza.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So then let's go back to the arrow where they throw.
Mm.
So when they throw this arrow,
Yes.
I see her put and all, so I know where the arrows from they come. So Blessing, Lucky, Bosse, Felice. Now only the daughter of my brother name now no come. Because that Felice my cousin and my senior sister husband be that one.
Let's boss Felice. Okay.
The Felice na my don't see no me husband I be that one. Then Mary, my mother first child, will be this my brother, will be this my sister. The 5 of them. Now that they walk this thing. I want to ask una one question. Una throw is an insanity arrow to my enemy simply because you do lucky, you do your children bad. And I dey let you know so what you do your children. It's not good till you don't destroy their life. Those where they go therapy every Saturday.
Yes.
And because of that, you people are trying to make me go insane, forgetting I have children to look after. All about is to destroy.
Well. Am I want to see?
Then recently, they use different fake accounts called they bully me. The fake accounts no get followers.
Okay.
When if I use first fake account, they bully me. I know say na she na can I do that one. There's one. The second one, I see her for the second one.
Okay.
I see her for the second one. It comes from her, but not be she be the direct person wey get that fake account. You know, I want see her put for live video, may expose the person wey get that fake account.
Oh yeah, now. Wow, damn you. Wow, power tap. What I give someone? Yeah, we lucky maybe. But what I give someone? Don't be fear now. Wow, damn you. And I get ye. What is? Why get about? But my lucky baby.
They no get live there.
But man, you want get ye? Damn you. Okay. It has true. Damn you. Thank you so much.
Fake account. The person with the fake account. I can see France for here. France.
France, okay.
Yes, I can see France. France, and my sister dey UK. I can see France, but the France is connected to her. Hold on.
France. Ni ati be ni yen odo.
The person wey dey inside that fake account no give. The person wey dey that fake account.
Yes.
Her name na Hope.
Hope.
Yes.
Okay. Obi.
Na Hope.
Who France? Where are they there? Where do car where?
Fake account. The person open that fake account with Clara. Now to open that fake account.
There I go.
The person wey do that fake account. Her name na Hope. And this Hope.
Maya yi France in Europe ni here comme France ou France. Maya yi France ni agua. No France on marino. Ah oui, my. Power tap.
You know, the person. Try to give me my other phone. The person wey dey this fake account so, and then I hope she get one pikin and she get husband for France, one daughter. And now I don't know the person wey did that fake account. And then I hope na mama Eki friend. He dey France. She dey France. She get one pikin. Go find her Facebook this thing first.
Eh?
What I get her put your comments.
Okay. You dey see the picture for the oracle so.
Wait.
Okay. Well done, yo. Well done, yo. Well done, yo. Mais même, non, rien. Il y a mon mari. On dit là, eh bien. Oh, what? What's my
You're not gay.
Yeah.
I better tap on your Facebook here. This phone, they my photo. Tap on your Facebook. The person name now Love Kelly. Like Love Kelly. That's the person to open Facebook.
Love Kelly. Okay. Love Kelly. France.
The person's birthday. They brought the person.
Eh.
The person was born 1981.
Love Kelly.
October 1st.
Love Kelly 1981. Oh no. Kelly Love. Now see. Wait. Oh. Love Kelly. Wait.
Kelly Love and Love Kelly is the same.
Now she be this.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, we don't people be right now. You know. This one.
No.
Okay. Love Kelly. Love. You get on that phone.
Yes.
Since you know her for the work, now you suppose even bring her home. Maybe people not call the verse, say I carry their picture come out. Now you for your hair, you don't find out since the oracle don't give you the face. But yeah, bien, nothing man. Mais là, il est. Pastor Grace was here. Mais I will la vidéo. Mais malgré que bon, il fait là. Faut pas faire rien de monde.
Yeah. You know the same. Where you are not gay?
No. Let's go. You don't see her?
Yes. Now this person.
I beg, you know they see her. You know they see her.
Where they bully me on TikTok.
You know they see her.
May I send the picture to you?
Okay.
And she get daughter. You see how she want put cost for herself. She
Now,
get daughter.
OP. If you Tondia is here, life oracle, now she play for your head now. If you know say you now you dey use fake account they bully her, come apologize so. While they give to her, me have Betty talking now. Me talk him agua. Yeah, they ban. They give me wow. Okay. Yeah. Now she be this.
And she be that. Put the picture for the lady.
Okay.
So I never threw with her. I think they do my business.
You don't confirm her, you never true with her.
No. Now she be that. Put her for them. I never threw with her this thing. Put her.
Yeah. Yeah. Now she be this one so. Okay. Yeah, you want to do another and this thing for your head. So you know what give me. You want make it down.
They're not gay.
Yeah.
They're not gay. I dey see money for hope and
Hope.
money. Yes.
Money.
Hope. Yes. I dey see money for hope and
Fair person, hold on. My people, do you know why I am believing this story? Because if this particular person man really dey innocent, I believe she get my number, she go call. You understand? If waiting till they talk now, say no be she will come and defend herself. Abi, my people. how to post your picture like this, you say you know what talk. You see that kind of thing. And you dey see money for you, which money?
I dey see money for your hand. And Eziza say make I tell am say sickness, dey fit put sickness for your body, stroke. You say dey fit put stroke for your body.
Now you call the
So dey fit put stroke for your body for a very long time. Make you let am know say the one wey dey come so, e go pass that stroke.
Yes.
Make she confirm I dey not put stroke for her body.
So wetin she come fit do now to take apologize to you?
Wait, no dey wait first. Wait.
Okay. I don't know.
The money wey I dey talk about, I no give. This woman dey do work for me from America.
She dey do wetin?
Committee of friends.
She dey do GoFundMe for that your elder sister.
Yes, she dey do GoFundMe for my sister.
Somebody say no her. GoFundMe of wetin?
They do GoFundMe, Mama Eki. What the GoFundMe they do for Mama Eki to raise money to take.
If the girl call me, may I pick?
Of course, may I talk to me.
Because somebody say no, I say go call me. Oh.
Yeah, she dey do GoFundMe for Mama Eki for France. Do
Okay.
all Mama Eki friends.
For wetin? Wetin they do GoFundMe for?
They do that GoFundMe because Mama Eki tell her say she no get money. They dey do that GoFundMe to fit pay judge, make them for release, make them for kill the case, make them for release my brother. Oh, how many times I called you? I don't know you all, you don't know me. As you said you enter my matter. As you said you enter my matter. Oh, now did you see me tell you say they give you stroke? Oh, so you battle stroke for almost how many years? Here's what we want to give you now. He said you got a shit for body, you got to eat some.
Now wait, difficult. No. I don't use this one to take guesses. No. Let's not get now. Do now. Why are you?
I not for my life. I never open fake account. I'm not a bully person. No. I'm not a bully person, but if person bully me with fake accounts. If people bully me with fake accounts, if people bully me with fake accounts, I'm not a fine person trouble, everybody know. You cannot go see my comment on your platform. If you are not my friend, you can never be there. I've never comment on anybody's platform. And why you fake accounts?
I beg my sister, I've been one ask one question. Where did the fake account come to they bully you?
He said a lot of things.
Okay.
The GoFundMe wey they do for Mama Eki, na to pay judge. The bonus they raise for Mama Eki, na to pay judge. Make the fit kill the matter. And the excuse wey hope they give people. Oh, and they see the excuse wey they give people for here. Mama Eki, you and Mama Eki tell people say, I try to collect my papa house. Now I be waiting. The apple say my brother no sleep with the children. Now the lie wey una dey tell people. I tell you.
Yeah. How you can make yak do me on a shop?
Say my brother no sleep with the children. Say na lie I dey talk. Una say the voice record when I play say na AI voice record.
You again.
They say that voice record when you play that day say na AI voice record, not that voice record.
No be here. If na here, I no play am. I know here voice record. I be here. I don't call you. I don't call the wife of the children. I call the wife now. if my sister, if this thing clear like this, fake account don't collect from my hand be that. Now you call the all the people they use fake account, they insult me and my wife. Well, here one way you're going to.
They're not good.
Meaning fake account business is over for life.
They're not good.
See me.
My sister and my ancestors say, make I tell everybody where up don't collect money for their hand.
Yes.
You call another person name for your mama outside room.
Ah. You see get that one picture, he show you for picture.
I not get that picture.
Okay, that one picture not good.
Because you know for you say mama outside room. Mama outside room join contribute that money. He say all of you now when join contribute that money to take free Lucky from jail for the children not to get justice. It's all of them go collect one by one.
Begging Anna, you see people.
If you know say you give up money to do God for me, if up not say wetin I dey talk so say she no do God for me, make she move bread bogun. Oh, wherever you are, if you know say you not do God for me for blessing, my sister, you not you and your husband, you not use life take finish my name and different thing. You not talk for the matter. You not know me, I don't know you. You not do God for me for my sister. Oh, no bebo, Bume. Do when you know say they kill within 7 days.
Oh, yeah, yo. I want to go peace. I've been worrying about it. Oh.
Why is it fine? Why do you want to make that child to cry? You are taking to that I love you. Let me see. With this phone. You know the how much people. Close this door. My make I tell people wey know say they contribute money for hope. If they no go back, go collect that money back and apologize to appease my deity. They will all collect one by one. That abroad where they go so, as they take put one for inside this matter, as all of them take gang up.
Yes.
For this matter, night go ask them. If they drink water, it will come to sickness for them. Except say I find them. Except say I talk for their family matter. Except say me and they get one-on-one problem. When be say they want to fight me. Yes. For all of them, they will share from hope, sickness, one by one. It will be for generation to generation. Because nobody go see man wey sleep with 2 children, not be one, destroy their life. Una get daughters and una cover them up. For hope husband, hope you get daughter. Your husband now go disrespect by your daughter. Your husband now go disrespect that your daughter.
Yeah,
comment here say, make I tell you no game, leave a matter on. I bet what you concern me for that matter. They talk my own matter. They talk. What you concern me for?
Why they read comments now? That's why I tell you. I say me you know they read comments again. But tell them say they write that nonsense again, me play oracle for their head. My boy Lion go wagner. As if we are the boy my zest in the so get us get in waiting. Forget small fever in waiting, where they worry them for that. Yeah, I go bobo me. Yeah, I go buy on how you feel way. Yeah, I mean, yeah, man.
They're not great. Those record will play. There's already man for the crowd. That way for thoughts and AI. Not be that big.
Not be here. You know what I go do? I'll put that audio for normal video. Then I'll put your semi brother picture join our poster.
Okay.
The part where I for still call your wife when your wife talk, I'll go look for her from my TikTok. I'll post them. Not be here. So for those of you now who just they come in, this is Queen Tondia Wesley. I believe every of you know her. She's my very good friend for over 10 years now. Yes. So she bring the brother matter to me. See brother knack two children and they try to reform around and stuff like that. And that Oracle also told her that a woman in France called Hope is doing a GoFundMe for a woman in UK. Mama, I cannot do the GoFundMe. You can go they do GoFundMe. That will be very honey. You don't know who cause the follow. Go they do GoFundMe. So that man need jungle justice. Yes, but now they're going to try to cover up the story against Tondia. Even they ever arrest Tondia self, not be small matter. So Tondia beg before you come out, because of time, October 2nd, then you go court. I don't say they agree for inside court. But you go come still tell us, maybe October 3rd, you go come still tell us how na waka.
Definitely.
So my people, 2002 is watching, please, you can also follow Tondia. She's a spiritualist. Call her and your problem is safe with her. Okay? So, thank you so much, my sister. Is there any other thing we would like to still tell us?
That if what I said, if what my deity just said is a lie.
You don't already see them. Make people to record our live stream. They don't already see them. So, if Hope say you dey lie, make bring a little paper for you. Because nobody will post a picture, we not do anything, we will lock up. So I go to wait for Hope.
If you are in the comment section, let me tell you people one thing that you don't know. The spiritual controls the physical. I will give you people one advice. Not be everybody where you see una fit throw mat give you. Mostly the ones wey no dey find you trouble. Mostly the ones wey no dey dance come your side na you dey do dey go. The thing wey dey follow me too big o. If you drop a negative comment about me, ima tie bonu ima gbe kan we, ima ri aworan, o ma ti ri aworan. Awe rekpo, I will not beg rekpo talk yeke. Make una give me chance so I no dey find person. But the thing where they follow me, it too big go. Because if it starts with you, now abroad you go find your life a green pasture, then you go find for your life. Not be everybody they throw mat give. I made a statement. If what I said here, if Hope did not do GoFundMe for my sister to support her to pay judge to free my brother, let her bring a baby to me. Then I will want her also to come and swear to a deity where they see where last born for family. They carry all father assets. Wetin concern me concern my papa old assets. Wey be say, how is that possible in the first place in Loadooh? Where we are
not possible. Last born, not possible.
To that extent, una even put our egbe inside. Ebono ogbuwa. Una even put in our egbe inside. Oh, you have the guts to tell people that egbe took bribe from me to join me to fight. For people to just give me money to support you. Family when you don't know before na abroad before see my sister. You don't know my father facially, you don't know my mother facially. You've never been to our house. You are not even recognized in our family. And yet, you said you want to carry family curse on your head. Oh, that family curse, that they see 100%, but I give it to you 1,000,000%. But I give it to you 1,000,000%. Your daughters are taste what those children taste from their father. Your husband will be the first person to discover your daughter, make your daughter know whether papa might do that they sweet or not.
Amen.
As it be say, for blessing, your two daughters, I can see you have destroyed Eki life, you don't corrupt Eki. Eki, your mother and you people will taste nothing but ashes and dust. As you decide to join your mother to fight against your own niece, your own cousin, the same cousin when you dey snap picture with, the same cousin one of una when you come like all of una dey eat for the same place, the same cousin when una do things together, their father sexually assaulted them, defied them. Those children are going to therapists every Saturday. They be like who they go insane. Yet, like you have the mind to join your mother. Oh, now only one girl. Now you get married to treat a girl child like this for them not to get justice. I curse you today. Everything when you go find for abroad, everything is scatter for your hand. Cool. Everything will scatter for your hand. Except so those children do you evil one day. Do they do friends? Do they do lesbian with blessing? Two of una, they leave each other purpose. They do lesbian with blessing. No worry. I give you from now to few months. Your husband, anything we're going to think, now how to put hands on your people purpose. How to put hands on your people purpose. Mark am.
It's very terrible. It's so painful.
Anything your husband go dey think. If your husband see your pikin, go dey see you. If you see your pikin, go dey see you for your pikin body. Your pikin wey small wey your hand go dey your nyash go dey see for the pikin nyash. And your breast go dey see na your face. You go motivate am. Except say you come beg and appease me. Mark today's date. I don't know you, you don't know me. But you say you want to carry our family problem for head. Now you get friend pass. That's what they do for abroad, eh? Now you get friend pass. I pity you. If I said this stroke when you first suffer, that one no receive. This one, your husband, he go run, leave you. I don't want to put your husband on now. I don't want to put you, but for that your daughter must taste from your father. He must taste them. As he be say my brother, this virgin children. That is how your daughter will taste it from their father. For all of you now, we donate money. I dey call you
Okay.
I want to look for this mama Simon.
Maybe you'll see a picture.
No, not in this picture. Don't tell me.
Okay. Down.
Mama Simon, I dey Nigeria. You dey abroad. Your first son name na Ebio Simon. How your first son? How they do? How they do? You confirm this thing when I talk. Your first son is stubborn, fights. He dey go dey pick things. Your first son is an arrogant and a junkie. Confirm what I talk. And my deity say I tell you. He said now. He said going to tell you the rest people body. Except say you come on hand for this our family matter. Una face one side. Mama Sarure. I don't know you. You don't know me. But the evil where they grant. These children, when they fight for, now my mother grandchildren. My mother said, if this lucky no go jail, he no go rest for spirit world. The papa no sleep with him. The pikin wey born no go sleep with the children. Blessing, Godwin, John. Now that name, now your paper for abroad. Blessing, Godwin, John. Now that name, your paper for abroad. This abroad when you there so. Any man, as your husband don't leave you so. Any man, when you ever come across, go make sure say, he go use Madiga, take this guagua eki and testing. He go this guagua, then go give the belly when no go fit comot. You and your guest children are going to be sharing man. You see that other one in the truck, I know to give because you know why? I want me you use nylon bag take come back to Nigeria. You call the roast corn. Corn. You go to wait for corn season. Roast mother, roasted corn. That's what they call you. How many years you go for abroad? 33 years. Let me remind you one thing. Do you know why your life is like that? When I they grow, they come. You never liked me. When I get my first breast, you send me message. I no pick come. You say because of say I don't dey get breast, I dey make shakara for my breast look my breast. You carry me like this, you hold the two breasts, you break all the skin. You break am, I sick for 1 week, my breast no come out again. You know wetin happen?
Oh!
My when they follow me as Ziza, I scatter everything for your hand for abroad. As he scatter everything, you get it for God look something, they can't tell you say, yes, but don't pass. Say make you appease my spirits. Yes. When I go to come, you can't do gold for me, for you can't write my name for the gold. You can't send a call, you can't send me forward bag. I'm not there with you for abroad. You put all my picture. Your friends when they come your house, they should confirm it. You put all my picture for your parlor. Me when they Nigeria, everybody don't already know because you know why? They don't know the reason why you put my picture. You were appeasing my spirit because of waiting native doctor saying upon not say you do am, you no work because you know why? Now the wrong place you go. Now me direct where the deity follow come. Me direct where the deity follow come. Now I suppose do that cleansing for you. But it is look my word. Anything where you pull out go scatter for you. Except say get wetin the Taye and Anna ever do you. When make you say as their papa destroy their life, say you happy like that. Except say get wetin those children do you. And your life go take don't go smoothly. Except say those children they get evil things. And those children make clear. They cry every day. I want to remind you. You see Taye. Now me carry Taye when they brought Taye. I carry Taye and Kenny put for my chest for good 6 months. They are special children. They are special children. Taye, the day it will follow Taye come life. The papa make a very big mistake for even trying to defy her. Then Anna, what you see for there, Anna is a priestess of the river, in case you don't know. You see these people are not gay. You see this my former brothers and sisters. Then they carry And you see Pastor Jerry Eze. That's why they're going to pray. They're going to shout, Eroi, Eroi, Eroi. They're going to pray. God is on their shoe. But everything that Eroi puts. But Eroi, yet he sleeps with your daughters. You defy them and try to destroy them.
Eroi, no, oh, NSP of sleeping with small daughters. God forbid. Prosper,
Felice, you tell them say anything that they do against me, no, they walk. You say, when I say I belong to secret society, say I be occultic person. Now make anything they do to me, they bounce back. I not be occultic person. Now what I be, now you see so. Because you know why? You know if it can't breathe. My hands are clean. I have never hurt anyone. I have never hurt anyone. Because my deity, as is a deity, are benevolent.
Yes.
Everybody knows the meaning of benevolence. Kindness, goodwill, charitable, generous. They are good to people. That is who I am, Eziza. And I'm very proud to be an Eziza. Eziza, the deity of the forest, the beautiful fairy. We know they harm anybody, we know they do evil to people. But once we do, I'm allowed to do back to sender. Because in Magbe Kanwe, Wogbe Kame, Ezizahin, I am allowed to do back to sender. But I am not allowed to start to do evil to anybody. But I am allowed, whenever you try to do evil to me, I am allowed to do back to sender. And not get where they this platform for years, so why they follow the talk. Nobody know what make me I no get be like this. We dey quarrel, but nobody they know. We'll just still quarrel our quarrel. We'll see settle. Nobody they know because you know why? You know the way you see for this, so na Eziza.
Tell them.
Anywhere you carry a name, go swear for her for back. You go fit catch breeze. You no go fit catch breeze. You know how many swear they don't swear for a no go for back when nobody knows.
Walking. You have to remember, so walking. But my hand is clean.
You know they walk because you know why? Na Eziza, na Ibi. They no get to see and so na just to talk. They no they hurt anybody.
Mama, tell them.
If you get problems, they no get beggar. And don't go shout. Well, just call her for corner, beg and say no get done. She go come back, come live video. You see me and this person we have settled and all. Now you wait talk, who go carry enemy? Because you know why? He is benevolent. That is it. Enoge, this platform, this thing go reach, it go reach them, it go reach the same hope.
Definitely. Definitely. Thank you so